Hello everyone. I'm sorry I was nowhere to be seen this past week or more because I was not well. I had severe abdominal pain, severe, like really severe. It was hitting my head. My multiple sclerosis problem was aggravated. I felt like lava bubbles were block, block. They come now in the lava like that. It was feeling. Some days my head was on vibration mode. It suddenly goes off into the zzz. Oh god, I saw all kinds of hell in the past 1 week, and I went to different hospitals on 4 different days. Nobody could really make out why that was happening. I was burping so loud, seriously, like the loudest burps. And they thought it was just gastritis. They were giving medicines, but it never worked. Never worked. They did a CT scan, this and that, and everything, and they are suspecting abdominal infection. I don't know from where I got it. I I highly suspect a faluda I ate from a stupid restaurant. Yeah. Oof. Later I got to know that that is not really a good restaurant. Swiggy, what to do? Hmm? Simply, yeah, Swiggy, yeah, I have everything that I need. Oh, I love it. Order it, eat it. Yeah, I ate faluda. It was like that. It was not like in a glass. They gave it in a bowl with full of savia in it. I was confused. What is this? Is this even a faluda? I was like, okay, whatever, just eat off. I'm hungry. I had to pay a very high price for that. So be careful, even while ordering in Swiggy. This can happen. I forgot my mukbang. Upma. After 7 days, I'm getting to eat this. Like every day, I was living on fruit. Only fruit, 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 fruit. I got so sick of fruits right now. I don't want to touch any fruit. I'm used to it. I'm an Indian. I like a little bit of spice and everything, but what to do? Even a little bit of spice was aggravating everything. Now I'm feeling a little better, like 10% better maybe. So that is why I got at least a small nano pinch of spice. But I'm feeling it like this is Amrit. I'm feeling so tasty because I didn't have any normal food in the past 7 days. My tongue is drying out like hell because they gave me so many medicines. I am taking nearly 12 tablets per day and night counted together. 12 tablets. God, it's drying me out like hell. No matter how much water I drink, no matter how much liquids in any form I consume, it's not being enough. I was going to emergencies to get the IV. See, you can still see the plaster wala gum. It's not going. I got pricked for nearly 8 times. Not just that, before entering the hospital, COVID test is mandatory. Yeah. Suk, 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 suk. God. How many times I thought, mera to gaya. I will lose my nose. Every time it turned out negative. What to do? The nurse in the hospital, they gave me painkiller. I was sleeping so sound. She came and woke me up. Ma'am, I was like, I just opened my eyes, and she was like, suck. I was like, are you murdering me? I pushed her away. At least she could have given me 2 seconds time to come fully awake. I would have cooperated. She's like, you have to cooperate, ma'am. How else am I supposed to do? Please, ma'am. Please, ma'am. Arey yaar, give me 2 seconds. 2 seconds. Just to be fully awake. I will cooperate. Nah. She had to be this side, this side. Oh God. I have seen all the horrors in the hospital in that emergency ward. Oh God. I'm so lucky to not have contracted any virus. Like seriously. Hell. Last year I had corona. That was next level hell. Hell ka baap tha. This year, because of my hospital emergency trips, I thought गया मेरा कम फिर से आने वाला है. I'm gonna get infected again. This time I don't know if I'll survive. All these kind of thoughts were popping up in my head. I felt so depressed. Every day I cry like hell every day. I'm in so much pain, and I go near that emergency ward. And they're like, there are no beds. What are we supposed to do? We are not able to give you a bed. Sit right here. Please, please, someone help. I was praying. I cried off one day in front of that nurse. I was like, she must have felt my pain, and somehow she found me a bed. I don't know where it popped up from. Maybe they were saving it for more emergency cases like COVID and all. So somehow, thankfully, I'm so grateful to her. I don't know. I'm hoping not to go into emergency again. Stay safe. Be healthy. Do not roam outside. Do not go anywhere. Just sit at home. Do watch YouTube, Netflix, Prime, or do something else at home, because I'm seeing the horrors out there. Yeah, 4 times in emergency, I witnessed it all. I witnessed what's happening outside. That is not something very pleasant to watch. It's like people are becoming unconscious. People are like they are being kept on ventilator. They are shouting. People are crying. I saw all the hell that is out there. I witnessed it. So please be safe. Eat healthy. Don't Swiggy and all. Cook at home and eat. Okay. And another day, in another hospital, I was becoming unconscious due to that severe pain, and they made me sit for 1 hour in the cold wind. It was about to rain that day. This is Bangalore. If you are familiar with Bangalore environment, you know how cold it can get. I was not feeling well, so I was feeling extra cold, and I had to sit for 1 hour outside in the cold wind. I was like, I'll die right here. This is my last day. In fact, every single time I went to the emergency ward, I thought, okay, this is my last day. I'm gone. But thankfully, I'm not gone yet. I woke up every night within an hour of me lying on the bed, and I stay awake till 5 or 6 in the morning. Like a bhoot, like a devil. I'm sitting in my backyard and I don't know what to do. I'm seeing YouTube, but nothing is going into my head. I wanted to see Netflix, Prime, what not. Nothing is going into my head. And मैं बस भूत की तरह भटकती रहती पूरा घर. That's what. I sleep only 1 or 2 hours per day, max. Now I'm feeling a little bit better. But those tablets, no, because of the dehydration, I'm not able to sleep. I'm sleeping just for 2 hours max per day. 2 hours. Oh God, somebody kill me, please. Yeah, it's feeling like that. Every night, I lie down on bed just within half an hour or max 1 hour. I'm waking up like, that's it. I'm done. No oxygen. I will die because the whole airway is super dry, like Thar desert it has become. Sahara, Thar, every other desert in this whole wide world. Yeah. My saliva is not generating. The tablets have just sucked all the moisture out of me. I don't know what to do except to go for hospital and get an IV, and before that IV I had to suck again. God. I don't know. I'm feeling like I'm being punished for whatever I did. I don't know what I did. क्या पाप क्या किया मैंने? But finally, yeah, today I'm feeling a little better. I'm trying to come out of it. I will come out of it. Another few days. I have 10-day course of antibiotics. Today is just 5th day. God, 5 more days I have to go to that hell. If the God comes in front of me and asks me for a wish, I'll tell him, hey Bhagwan, please, I want to never ever go to the hospital ever again in my life. Yeah, bless me with that. Health. Enough. I don't want anything else. Am I not doing mukbang? I said upma mukbang. I'm forgetting that. Just I can't fit anymore. I'll do it a little. I don't know if the mic is catching the pachak mukbang sound. I'm just concentrating on eating this upma. I'm forgetting what I wanted to talk. Yeah, after this video, I have 2 more videos lined up. I recorded them already, but because of my sickness, I could not sit and edit it. I don't think I've done enough justice to this upma mukbang. Someday I will do all the South Indian foods mukbang. Yeah, that'll be fun. Yeah, eating noodles, this and that. Those are all done. I'll do South Indian food mukbang someday after I get well completely, of course. If I do it now, ticket cut jayega mera. So, okay, I have enough of this upma mukbang. So if you like this upma mukbang life update video, Please hit the like button, subscribe for I don't know what to say. Something will keep coming up. I'll not stop. Not just beauty. I'll include everything. Okay? Last bite of mukbang. Am I supposed to burp in mukbang? I don't know. Like, subscribe, notification, hit that bell. So, okay, I'll continue my upma mukbang. You all be safe, take care.